This is cs952, Introduction to Web Technologies and Design. And we just finished seeing what our website looks like with the links working to link to our different pages. Now, all the links that we've created so far are what we call relative links, because we're linking to pages within the same website. When we want to go to the history page, we just say history page. When we want to go to the media page, we go to the media page, right? It's like going between different rooms of your house. You're staying inside of the same house. You haven't left the house. And so all your links are relative to each other, relative to the root directory of our website, right? We talked about how the root directory, the root folder, holds the whole universe of your website. But I would like to add some links to some places not on my website that I think are interesting and that I would like to recommend for people to visit. When we link away from our website, when we go to a different place, we call that an absolute link. We're going to give it an absolute address, a specific place that we want people to go to. So let's look. I've got Google open here, and I'm going to, in my address bar, I'm going to type in the Pencil, M-U-S-E-U-M, Pencil Museum. And look, there's already a pencil museum. Okay? And here it is loaded up for us. So now we're looking at the pencil museum. I would like to include a link to the pencil museum. So how do I do this? Well, first we need to have the web address place we're linking to. Where do you plan to go? So I'm going to copy that by highlighting in the address bar. This is where we have the URL. If you watch the video on video editing, we talked a little bit about URLs, web addresses. I'm going to highlight that and then right click and choose copy. So now I have the address for my pencil museum copied. Now how do I make a link to that? Well, this first separated link that we had, if you remember when we were looking at our website, let's go back here. We should be able to navigate back. Here we go. When I clicked under more, we had this link here that said separated link. And they call it that because we've got a little line above and below separating it. So I want to change this to a link to the pencil museum. How do I do that? Well, this is the actual text that says separated link. So I'm going to replace that text with the Pencil Museum. I'm going to hit refresh. And it's real important when we're typing in this text. If there's only one word, you can always double click the word to highlight it. But you want to make sure that you do not inadvertently type over your HTML code. In other words, that arrow that points to the left and the arrow that points to the right. We always want to keep our text inside of that. Okay. So now I'm inside of the link for my pencil museum, inside of the anchor, and down here in the link, rather than linking to, if I click here, I can see I can link to any of my local pages, history or gallery or index. I want to link to the pencil museum. So all I have to do is just highlight that pound sign. I'm going to hit backspace to delete it, and now I will paste in my address from the pencil museum, my URL. I'm going to hit paste, and it fills it right in there. Now we're going to add a little bit extra information here. Under the title, we'll type in the pencil museum. That's always helpful to have a title just in case. And then under target, I'm going to choose blank. And the reason for that is this. If I choose blank, then when people click on the pencil museum, they will go to the pencil museum, but the original page that we have open right now, that's our website, will also be open at the same time. If we don't choose target equals blank, then people will leave our website and not come back. So I'll give you an example of that here in a second. So I have one more link, and this link I'm going to take folks to the Wikipedia page on pencils. So I'll type in Wiki Pencil. I'll hit refresh. I needed to hit refresh because until I hit refresh, the property inspector down here will not update. So I can add in the link now for Wiki Pencil, and these links are available also. I'm going to show you, if you double click on the text file Here's our text file, remember, that we used for text from before. I have these links available here as well in the helper text file. This is the link to the Wikipedia page, and I'll just copy that. Or I could do what we did before and go to Chrome and type in Wikipedia pencil, and I could copy the address here. It's the same address one way or the other. Okay, let's go back to Dreamweaver and switch back to my template file. And in my address, I've clicked on Wiki Pencil, and in my link down here for Wiki Pencil, I'm going to delete the placeholder hashtag and then paste in Wikipedia. I'll type in Wiki, and this time Wikipedia. This time I'm not going to add anything to the target field, and we'll see what the difference is, right? When we clicked on the Pencil Museum, I set target equal to blank, and this one I did not set target equal to anything, so let's see what the difference is. So I'm going to click on Save All. It's important in this case to choose Save All, and then Dreamweaver says, do you want to update all these pages? Well, yes, we do. Dreamweaver updates the pages. We can close, and now let's preview this in Chrome. Okay, so again, I can click on Gallery, go to Gallery, I can click on More, and now you see we have the Pencil Museum. So when I click on the Pencil Museum, we go to the Pencil Museum, but notice we still have this tab open, right? This is our website. Our website is still here. The Pencil Museum is over here. I can go to my home page, and here's the Pencil Museum. The link to the new site is open, and our old site is open. Okay, so when I created the link for the Wiki Pencil, I forgot to set target equal to blank. What happens if we do not set target equal to blank? And by the way, when I'm hovering over this link and you see the word Pencil Museum show, that is the effect of that title property. When we give a link a title property, then we get this little hint to show up. So let's click on Wiki Pencil and see what happens. We go directly to the Wiki Pencil page. So now we no longer have our original website open. So I always recommend, if you're linking to an external page, set that target equal to blank. So when people leave your website, you still keep your website open. But if you have people moving around inside of your website, do not set target equal to blank. So how do we fix this problem with Wikipedia? We just go back to Dreamweaver, and I'm going to click on a Wikipedia link and click anywhere, and then set target equal to blank. Just in case we missed it, the title I have for Wikipedia, let's change that to Wikipedia Pencil. Okay, just so you can see how that title effect works, I'm going to click on Save All. Dreamweaver says, do you want to update? I say, yep, sure do. Okay, Dreamweaver's all done. We can close this, and then I'm going to preview in Chrome, or I could just hit F12. Okay, so here we go. So now let me close these other open tabs so we're not confused. So now, if we go under More and I hover over Wiki Pencil, you can see the title's changed. Now the title is Wikipedia Pencil. So that's what the title does. When you set that title attribute, it gives you this little pop-up box that helps you. We also set the target equal to blank for Wiki Pencil. So when I click on Wiki Pencil this time, Wiki Pencil opens in a new tab, but we still have our original website open. Okay, this is going to wrap it up, and we will continue, and we're going to learn how to actually make this search tool do something, and we're going to learn how to turn this link into email.